2025 RS7 reveals the zesty side of Audi, backed by its mild RS7 and A7 stablemates. This sleek hatchback car not only looks the part of a serious entertainer, it's properly potent with 621 horsepower originating from a burly twin-turbo V8. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about a legendary nameplate that's making a comeback, the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429. Before we jump in, hit that like button and smash subscribe to stay notified on all. Well, the Audi RS7 returns largely unchanged, with HomeLink smart home control buttons moving to the rearview mirror. Since the RS7 is only offered in a single very well-appointed trim level that leaves you with only color and option choices, we recommend adding the driver assistance package, which includes adaptive cruise control, a blind spot monitor, and lane keep assist. The executive package will appeal to the more luxury-minded, with additional leather interior surfaces, a head-up display, an automated parking system, and soft closed doors. The price of the 2025 Audi RS7 starts at $131,195. Since the RS7 is only offered in a single very well-appointed trim level that leaves you with only color and option choices, we recommend adding the driver assistance package that includes adaptive cruise control, a blind spot monitor, and lane keep assist. The executive package will appeal to the more luxury-minded, with additional leather interior surfaces, a head-up display, an automated parking system, and soft closed doors. Power comes from a brilliant twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 that pairs with a 48-volt hybrid system, 8-speed automatic transmission, and quattro all-wheel drive. All this tech makes the RS7 heavier than the last generation model, which made as much as 605 horsepower. To counter the added mass, the 2025 RS7 is good for 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, up from the 591 horses and 590 pound-feet of torque from 2023. The RS7 is rated 14 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway by the EPA, but we have yet to verify this for ourselves. While the RS model shares its interior design and passenger space with the regular RS7, it also has some exclusive details and intriguing options. The careful build quality and upscale materials are immediately recognizable, and the RS7's cabin is adorned with trim-specific logos and other unique accents. The standard front sport seats have rich leather upholstery, and the back seat can fit 2 or 3 people, depending on the chosen seat configuration. The cargo area offers 19 cubic feet of space with the rear seats in use and 49 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. Every RS7 is equipped with a snazzy infotainment system operated via 2 touchscreens that seamlessly blend into the upper dashboard and flowing center console. Unfortunately, the climate controls and other settings that must be manipulated through the lower screen can pull the driver's eyes off the road. To avoid this distraction, Audi's voice recognition software comes in handy. Along with the robust navigation system, the RS7 comes with standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. That's it for our review of the 2025 Audi RS7. This car is a true powerhouse with a burly twin-turbo V8 that delivers an impressive 621 horsepower. We hope this review has helped you decide if the RS7 is the right car for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.